Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some healthy lunchbox snacks. And whether or not you've got kids that you're packing lunches for, these are things that I like to do to make sure that I eat healthy at home as well. So we're going to start with, there's three products I'm going to show you: the cup slicer, the crinkle cutter, and our apple wedger. So I remember when my son was little, I was afraid to pack grapes for his lunch because I was nervous he would choke on them even when he was getting to be a big kid. So the cup slicer solves that solution. This is super popular. Your kids can even help you. And in fact, if you can get your kids to help you pack lunches, they're more likely to eat them instead of being all social, right? So go ahead, you just hop from pile to pile. It slices those grapes and you won't be afraid that they are going to choke on them. So you can use this for your bananas and strawberries and kiwi fruits, melons. And then once you get through the last pile, you press it through the bottom and you've got these cute little discs, and you can put it in whatever containers you are packing lunches for. And just pack a spoon and they're ready to go. Now for apples. Apples are great, but lots of kids are losing teeth or they've got braces. So my trick is to take your apple wedger, and I like to put my hand flat on the top. Never touch the bottom because that's a knife. And it just kind of helps me lean into it. I go almost all the way to the bottom. See, I leave a little bit, and then I gently put my thumb over thumb on the core and pull the core out, or the wedger out. And then if you have young kids, they might not need the whole thing and you can just break what you want. But for big kids, or even for myself or my husband, in fact, I packed him an apple today. He went on a day trip and he asked for a wedged apple. They're not going to brown when they're pushed together like that. So you can even prep enough apples for maybe 3 days at a time. Just store them in the fridge and then just pop them into the lunchbox. Okay. And then finally, cheese sticks are super popular for packing in lunches. And your crinkle cutter is great on all your vegetables, but it's fantastic to make your own cheese sticks. So get whatever kind of cheese you want. So I've got some light cheese here, cheddar, but you can use Jack, Swiss, whatever you like. And think about portions. So 1 ounce is a portion of cheese. This is an 8-ounce brick. So I am gonna cut this into 8 pieces. And that will be the right portion. Now my lines aren't perfectly straight. Just go straight down and ask your kids, maybe instead of cheese sticks, they would prefer to have cubes. Or if you're using this to make a charcuterie board, you absolutely could too. So you get the idea, right? Cheese sticks, just like that. And they're kind of fun to eat when they're wavy. The snack size Ziploc bags are perfect for that. You can make all these at the beginning of the week if you want to. And it's a lot less money. I like to roll it to get all the air out. It's a lot less money to make your own than to buy them all prepackaged. And if you want to use your own containers instead of using plastic, you absolutely can. So those are some ideas on how just a few simple tools can make it easy to pack some healthy lunches. I know when I have food prep like this in the fridge, even for us as empty nesters, we're more likely to reach for a healthy snack than one that's not so healthy. So I hope you'll give it a try. And if you have your own healthy lunchbox tips, drop them in the comments. We can all use the help any time of year. Thanks for watching.